Today I will be showing you how to change your Twitter username. For this I am going to my Chrome browser. After that I am going to search for Twitter. Now I will open the first link here. Here you can see it is showing me the two messages: use the app or login. I will press the login button. After pressing into the login button, I will directly use my email to login. Here I will choose the account from which I want to sign in. Once my account has been logged in, I will go to the profile section. In the profile section, you have to scroll down and go to settings and sports section. And in the settings and sports section, you have to further click on the settings and privacy option. After pressing this option, you will see a number of options. You have to click on your account option. Now you have to select the option account information. Selecting this information, you have to give your password here, and once you have given your password, press the confirm icon. After pressing the confirm button, you will see these options here. Here you can change your phone number, email address or username. Now I will click on the option username here. On the next page it will show this box. Here you can choose any username you want. Now select any username you want. After selecting your desired username, check if it is available or not. Once you see your desired username is available, click on the save option and then continue. So this was how you can change your Twitter username.